Now, many of you will know by now that not only are the Neo cars beautiful, but they are also very safe, and the Neo NCAP ratings have been proving that, showing that Neo, ladies and gents, cars are indeed very safe. I mean, today we received the 2023-2024 rankings. When you look into the mid sedans, hatchbacks and touring, where we saw, of course, the Neo ET5 and the ET5 touring leading the rankings. This once again shows you that Neo, ladies and gents, it is a car that is very safe. I mean, a couple of months ago we read about the Neo ES6 or EL6, which also did very well in the Neo NCAP ratings, which is something that is obviously good to know and see that Neo cars continue to be safe, and Neo continues to prioritize the safety of their cars. Not just the beauty, not just the features and the technology that the car brings, but you will also be safe. Now, on other news over and above this Euro NCAP or Neo leading on the Euro NCAP ratings, ladies and gents, we read that there is a pension plan or the top pension plan companies that just double their investment onto Neo, which is something that is pretty exciting. As of the end of March, this pension plan, ladies and gents, owned around 3.1 million Neo shares. They increased their holdings or their Neo holdings by around 1.7, or by acquiring around 1.7 million shares, which is something that is pretty exciting. Now, the pension plan that I'm talking about is none other than the Canada pension plan. Now, some of you that might not know this company or this pension plan company, ladies and gents, they own assets around $462 billion, which shows you of how big this company is, and to see them doubling their investment, adding these kind of shares onto Neo, it is something that is pretty exciting and something that motivates the investors to probably also do that. I mean, it is always good to see big institutions increasing their holdings onto the Neo stock, because then it means that they see the potential that lies within this stock. They see the potential that lies within this company, which is why it is a motivation to even the us retail investors to say that sometimes when a sharp falls, sharp drops, we need to take the opportunity and load the boat, because blue sky is coming. And of course, this is not financial advice, but obviously when you see the big fishes doing such moves, it tells us that they also believe in the stock the way we believe, which is a good thing to see. I mean, Neo this week, ladies and gents, they announced their Q1 earnings, which of course they were quite mixed earnings. Some people are saying good things about the earnings, some are saying bad things, but of course when you look forward, when you look into what's ahead of us, we can see that things are improving, things are becoming better. And one of the things that we can talk about Neo throughout the years is that though maybe this company has not been growing the way that we as investors probably projected it would grow, but there is growth in the company. There is growth. I mean, you will know that from sales wise, we can all agree that this is a company that each and every year when I look into their sales, the kind of the quantity of the vehicles they sell per year, ladies and gents, there is some sort of a growth, which is something that I think that is hope. That means that there's hope in this company and things will continue to be better. I think from here onwards we are expecting to see good things from Neo, especially starting from this year going forward. We can easily see things changing for Neo. I mean, next year we have spoken about Neo turning to profitability, which is something that I think we are going to see, because the catalyst or the big catalyst that will help Neo get to that, ladies and gents, some of them Neo is launching them this year, which is Onvo, and some early next year or first half of next year, which is Firefly, which those two projects are the ones that will make Neo to flourish. These are some of the things that, in my personal opinion, encourages people to remain long and strong and increase their holdings onto Neo whenever they can, because the future is looking great. The future is looking so amazing. And once again, not only is Neo building good beautiful cars, but it is also building the cars that are safe. I mean, Neo, it's different from the other EV companies, because there are some of the things that you will find on Neo and you will find won't find into other EV companies. The kind of technology, some kind of technology that you find only on Neo, and you won't find onto the other EV companies. I mean, the Neo suspension for the ET9, say for instance, I mean, you will not find that kind of a technology on a suspension for the car. Besides, for Neo, we saw how comfortable you are when you are driving a Neo ET9, which is something that, like I said, you only find onto Neo. Another thing is the technology, battery swapping stations, where you go and of course swap the battery instead of going the normal route of charging the battery in your car. I mean, today I just read some good news with a battery swapping station to say that Neo has started deploying quite a number of fourth generation battery swapping stations. You will know that these fourth generation swapping stations, ladies and gents, they are able to swap the battery in your car in 3 minutes, which is something that is pretty exciting. So I'm very happy about Neo. I'm very happy about the latest developments. I'm happy about the deliveries that we are seeing onto this car. Yes, we are not yet profitable, or yes, Neo is not yet profitable, but I have no doubt in my mind that come 2025, somewhere around 2025, ladies and gents, this company is going to turn into profitability, which is something that it will be so amazing to see, because almost everyone investing into this company is waiting for. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click the notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. Before you buy Neo for the very first time, please do your own DD so that at least you can be comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.